Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Mini Cooper headlights. Park the car on level ground facing a flat wall about 25 feet away, with headlights on low beam. Measure the center of each headlight to mark horizontal and vertical reference points on the wall. Use the vehicle owner's manual to find adjustment screw locations, then slowly turn the screws to align beam centers with the wall marks until beams are level and centered. Before adjusting, gather a screwdriver, tape, measuring tape, and the owner's manual, and set tire pressure to recommended levels. Warm up the engine for normal ride height and ensure the fuel tank has typical load. Position the car perpendicular to the wall and mark headlight centers, then test adjust one side and recheck both beams. Make small incremental turns on the adjustment screws and drive test to confirm aim at normal driving height. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy a smarter garage or workshop, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for voice control and music while you work. It blends well with garages and fits easily on a shelf. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Check the description for the product link and other deals I find handy for DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by turning the adjustment screw to move the beam up or down a small amount and observe the change on the wall. Adjust left-right by using the horizontal screw until the brightest part of the beam sits at the vertical center mark. Repeat adjustments with both headlights until symmetry is achieved, then tighten any lock nuts and take the car for a short drive to verify proper aim on the road.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.